Okay, good morning children. How are you all? Okay, yesterday we had a discussion about the first chapter, okay, and introduction and depth of the maps, how the map makers were prepared the maps, about those things we learned in previous class. Okay, now we are going to learn many things about the map. Okay, the geographers who are prepared exact map, how they prepared final map, those things now we are going to discuss. Okay, okay. Yesterday we had a discussion that people who Romans prepared the map and Greeks also they prepared the map. After them, Greeks again they entered after the Romans. They, as per the latitudes and longitudes, they prepared the map. Okay, and here the person, he is also one of the geographer at the same time, who is Ptolemy. Ptolemy is also one of the famous geographer at the same time. He is also based upon the latitudes and longitudes. Okay, Ptolemy is also prepared the map by using the lines like longitudes and latitudes. Longitudes and latitudes. He is also one of the famous geographer. He is also belongs to the Greece. Okay, he is also belongs to the Greece. Getting my point? Ptolemy at the same time while preparing the map, he written the book also. He written the book related to all the areas. Okay. How they prepared, what are the areas they mentioned in that map? First of all, Eurasia, because Europe and Asia, both continents are connecting with each other. That's why Eurasia he mentioned. At the same time, northern parts of the Africa also he mentioned in his map. Understand? About those things, he prepared one book also along with the map. Understand? Getting my point, Nana? And here one more thing is, while another persons after the Ptolemy, another persons means related to the other countries, so they are not satisfied with their maps. Why? Because each and every country people, meanwhile, related to the Europe continent particularly, they are wanted to conquer the many parts of the world. Okay, that's why they are interested to making the maps. To identify the particular places. At the same time, they want to conquer or they want to exploit the resources also, which was located in many parts of the world. For that purpose, they are not satisfied with the other maps. Understand? In that way, one of the famous person, he is Al-Idrisi. He is also prepared the map for his king in the 1154. The king who ruling the particular area in 1154, for his king Al-Idrisi were prepared one more map with the help of Ptolemy's map. Getting my point? With the help of Ptolemy's map, he is also prepared one more map. As per the map, the king want to conquer the surrounding areas. Conquer the surrounding areas. They want to capture many things from the surrounding areas. For that purpose, they were prepared the maps. This king was influenced to Al-Idrisi to prepare the map. Getting my point? After that, after all literacy, and another persons also came into the picture. They are also checked the maths, but they are also not satisfied. They are also not satisfied. Okay, after all literacy, one more person is entered into the picture. Who? Related to the China. Related to the China. China people also entered into the picture. Belongs to the China one geographer. His name is Daming Han. Daming Han Yitu. Daming Han Yitu. He is the person. He is also prepared the one more map. Why? Because actually at that time, meanwhile in the 12th century, the China people want to know about the towns and villages nearby the area, nearby their area or near surroundings of their area. He wanted to what? He wanted to get the information to conquer the towns and villages which was located surroundings of their area. For that purpose, Chinese are also prepared one more map based upon the Ptolemy's book. Based upon the Ptolemy's book. Getting my point? And the person who prepared the map, that name is Damingham Yitu. Damingham Yitu, his name. Okay, he prepared the one more map for themselves. Understand? After the Chinese, another person is also entered into the picture. After in 14th century, particularly in 14th century. In 14th century, some other people also entered into the picture. Those who are, you know very well about these people. Europeans came into the picture. That the European people are also they want to conquer the many areas in the world. Okay, they want to exploit the resources also. For that purpose, they want to get the information from all over the world. Okay, for that purpose they want to prepare the map. Okay, but here that Europeans they know about the Bible. Okay, so they are influenced by the Bible. As per the Bible, they are also prepared the one more map. How they are prepared the map? They are also prepared the map Eurasia, Africa, and some eastern parts of the Asian continent. By keeping those things, they are prepared the map. And one more thing, how they are prepared the map in the sense, this is the world. They consider this is as a Asian continent and this is as a Europe continent, this is Africa continent. In this way they prepared the map. Okay, Asia, Europe and Africa. In that way they prepared the map. How? As per the Bible they prepared map like that. Okay, yeah, Europe and Africa they put down in the down, Asia is they put down in the top. Bottom and the top. Getting my point? In that way they prepared the map. When? Before identification of Ptolemy's book they prepared like that. They prepared like that. And after some time, after few years, the same Europeans got the Ptolemy's book. Actually, that Ptolemy is prepared book. Ptolemy is prepared the map by using some mathematical calculations. As per the mathematical calculations, with the help of latitudes and longitudes, he prepared one more map. While preparing it, Ptolemy is written one book. As per the book, okay, when the Ptolemy's book is identified by the Europeans, that Europeans were very influenced by that book, and as per the book they are also prepared one more map with the help of latitudes and longitudes, and they used some mathematical calculations to prepare the map. Getting my point? In that way they are also prepared one more map to conquer many parts of the world. Many parts of the world. Who? Europeans. Okay, and one more thing is here. During the 15th century, who the Ptolemy is inspired a new enthusiasm in the non-Arabic world. He want to know as an enthusiastic manner to know about the non-Arabic world. Actually here some important schools he find. What are the important schools? Italian school, French school, English school, German school grow up in the, fortunately happened in the age of discovery and exploitation, which popularized map and its importance. Getting my point? And here when they are try to get information about throughout the world in non-Arabic way, they want to get the more information as per the Ptolemy. Understand? When? In the 15th century. Getting my point? And in 16th century, finally map were prepared. In 16th century. But some important things were happened at there. What are they? In particular in 15th century, some other Europeans want to know about the India. Okay, actually initially they are traveling to India while crossing the Mediterranean Sea. But some Arabs are opposed so many Europeans to enter into their regions. So that so many people, Europeans, among the Europeans, particularly Vasco da Gama, he came to the India side. He reached to the Cape of Good Hope at Africa. Finally, he reached to the India. And one more person who found the America, Columbus. Columbus is also traveled through the Atlantic Ocean. He is reached to the America. He found the America. In that way, they are reached and along with the maps. Getting my point? So till there, you have to read the textbook, and finally we are entered into the next topic. Until and unless you have to go through your textbook, tomorrow I will ask the question answers. Be prepared. Thank you.